Okay, now children, let's start with exercise 9.1. Beta, before you start the exercise, please make sure that the way I told you to underline, those who can do it without underlining, that's very good. But this is quite easy. You just underline what you have. So just see, I've underlined here. One and a half a dozen means 18. So just underline this and figure it out. 15 mangoes cost and say 27 mangoes, 393, 3 days and 3 weeks. Always make sure that both the units are same. This is given in days, this is given in weeks. So weeks will be converted into days. 3 weeks means 21 days because in 1 week there are 7 days and 3 weeks, 7 into 3, that is 21 days. 550 kilometers, 25 liters of petrol required, and bus will be required for 14652 kilometers. So just see, I've underlined this: 24 men, 35 days, 42 men, 27 days, 52 men, 36 days. So like that we will underline in all the questions. Now let's see the solutions directly. Okay, solution number 1. We'll make the box first. Now pencils, we know both the values, we'll fill it here. Cost, one cost is given and second cost we have to find out. So let's take that as X. 1 and a half dozen means 1 dozen is 12 and a half dozen is 6. So total it is 18 pencils. That is what we have written. Now you want more pencils. Now you want more pencils and the second value is the money. So you want more pencils. So very obvious, you will pay more money. That is direct variation. And for direct variation, we always do the cross multiplication. 6 into X is equal to 24 into 18. Keep X here, whatever is with X. Shift it to the other side, do the cutting, and on cutting the value of X is 72. Therefore, the cost of 18 pencils is rupees 72. Now move on to the second solution. Again, we'll make a box. Toys, we know both the values. We'll fill it here. We know one cost and the second cost is unknown. Take it as X. Now, you want more toys like 16 and 48. This is more. You want more toys. Obviously, you will pay more money. So that is again direct variation, cross multiply. 16 into X is equal to 48 into 48. Keep X here, take 16 is multiplying here, shift it to the other side and it will divide. Do the cutting. The value of X is 144. Therefore, the cost of 48 toys is rupees 144. Okay, let's move on to solution number 3. Let's make a box first. Mangoes, we know both the values, fill it here. Cost, we know one cost, the second cost unknown, take it as X. It's a question of direct variation. How? You want more mangoes. So wherever money is involved, more mangoes means you need to pay more money. Direct variation, do the cross multiplication. 15 into X is equal to 75.75 multiplied by 27. Keep X here, whatever is with X, shift to the other side. Multiplication will become division. On cutting, the value of X is 136.35. Therefore, the cost of 27 mangoes is rupees 136.35. Okay, solution number 4. Again, 1 week has 7 days. 3 weeks will have 7 into 3, that is 27 days. Now, time is given in days. Directly, you can write days also. Now, time is given in days, 3 days and 21 days. Money is 393, not given. We'll take it as X. Now, money earned, like earlier it was 3 days. Now days are increased. More days, you'll earn more money. So that's again a direct variation question. Cross multiply. 3 into X equals 393 into 21. Keep X on one side, whatever is with X, shift it to the other side. On cutting, value of X is 2751. Therefore, the money earned in 21 days is rupees 2751. Now this answer line, no, this is already given in the question. So you have to see your question, that what is exactly asked in the question, and according to that you will write this line. Moving on to solution 5. Let's make a box. Money is there. Weight is there. Weight is not there. Let's put it as X. Now more money. It was 1057 and 50 paisas. 2467 and 50 paisas. Now with more money, if you want to buy something, obviously with more money you can buy more things. So that's a direct variation question. Do the cross multiplication. 1057.50 into X is equal to 15 into 2467.50. Keep X here and whatever is with X, shift it to the other side. On cutting, first of all, you'll cancel the decimal because 2 digits and 2 digits. And then you do the cutting. Try to do the cutting with pencil, beta. On cutting, the value of x is 35. Now what is x? X is actually the weight which is given in pounds. So therefore 37 pounds, like they didn't mention what thing, but whatever it is, 37 pounds can be purchased for rupees. Sorry, this is for rupees 35. Next question. Again, we'll make a box. Solution number 6, we'll make a box. Distance which is given in kilometers, both the values are there. Diesel that is given in liters, one value is there, second is unknown. Now let's find out what variation. This is the first step we've done. Now you want to travel 550 kilometers, you need 25 liters. You want to travel more, obviously you'll require more diesel. That's again a direct variation question. Do the cross multiplication. 550 into x is equal to 25 into 14652. Keeping x here, taking 550 to the other side, and on cutting, the value of x is 666. Therefore 666 liters of diesel is required to run the bus for 14652 kilometers. Okay, number 7, let's make a box. Men 24, 42, time which is given in days 35, unknown, that is x. Now there were 24 men to do the work. Now there are 42 men. That means there are more men. And time, I already told you that more people always take less time and less people always take more time. Now more less, it means it's inverse variation. So straight multiplication, 24 into 35 equals to 42 into x. Keeping x here and whatever is with the x shifted to the other side. On cutting, the value of x is 20. Now check the question. Therefore 42 men will take or will do the work in 20 days. Solution number 8, time which is given in days 27 and 36, men that is 52, and this is unknown, take it as x. Now time is more, like you finished the work in 27 days, now you're finishing the work in 36 days. So if you're taking more time, obviously you need less people for that. It's inverse variation question, straight multiplication, 27 into 52 which is equal to 36 into x. Keep x here and shift 36 to the other side. On cutting, the value of x is 39. Therefore, 39 men are required to finish the work in 36 days.